Hello, this is Liz. Welcome to my little urban homestead. Last week I did tidy out my potting shed and sort it all out. I've just filled that area up because I think I'm going to just repair the chicken coop that it is. The chicken coop, I had a good look at it. The roof of it, that needs replacing. The nest box needs replacing, it's coming away from the side, but other than that it's good, solid. So I think that's all I'm going to do, is just replace those things. But I'll wait until we come back from the motorbike rally before I do that, and then get me chickens, me new chickens, yay! Possibly be difficult to see in here. Garage which is a dump all place, I think. Let's just try. I've got wood in the rafters, so I will be going through that, but just having a quick look at it. I need some other bits of wood, so I will be getting them. And this is another area that just wants a good tidying. But this is what I'm planning on doing at least one day a week. One day a week is sort the outside of the house. That is what is left of the corn. Because I just left them over and went to sort out in spring, and that's what I'm doing now. My grow house needs sorting. That won't take long at all. I've started to sort a bit of the polytunnel out, but I need to do something with the doors because this plastic has ripped off them. So I've done a bit, about 5 foot of it, and so I'll do a bit more and then I'll show you. Mason trying to help. It's about an hour or so later and the plastic had completely come off the back door. I found some of this bubble wrap and I was going to use my staple gun, but it's rusty to buggery and won't work, so Rich is going to have a look at it for me, see if he can do anything with it. So I've just put this bubble wrap up with a few nails, and because I won't be opening this door just yet. I've also done it on this outer door, but I've left the bottom loose because a cat lives in here at times and a hedgehog comes through, used to anyway. So I want them access to it. But I found my guttering for my peas. Yeah, these are a bit too low for me, I need them higher, so I'll get Lurch to bring some round so I can actually start using my polytunnel now. I mean, those seeds that are planted indoors, they've not done too well at all, so I will be bringing them out here soon. And for the second day out in the garden, well, it isn't in the garden, today was the polytunnel. At least I'm getting something sorted. Last week was the potting shed and the porch. This week is the polytunnel, and then I'll work out what's next. But I can now use this, which is brilliant. So thank you very much. Bye.
It's a perfect